Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Renu, Komal, and Vartika for joining in. And today we are starting to read this beautiful book, Master Your Emotions. इसके बारे में ओरिएंटेशन इंटेंशन सेटिंग हमने कल करी थी एंड द इंटेंशन सेटिंग पार्ट वाज व्हाट इज दैट वन इमोशन that you want to shift, that is bringing some negativity in your life, वो आपकी लाइफ में कैसे इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है वो लिखा था बैठ के एंड आपको उसको याद रखना है थ्रू आउट द बुक वॉट एवर वी रीड यू हैव टू यू नो check how can you use that strategy to eliminate the emotion that you are feeling is not supporting your growth or supporting whatever the goals you are wishing to achieve in life. Let me quickly share the screen so that we can hop on to chapter number 1 of this book. So this book is, segregated in four these segments. The first segment talks about, let me check it. What are emotions? First topic ये बात करता है. Part 1 talks about what are emotions. Part 2 talks about what impacts your emotions. Part 3 talks about how to change your emotions. And part 4 talks about how to use your emotions to grow. So we are starting with part number 1, which talks about what are emotions. So here is the text we have. I am sharing the PDF along so that you, if you are a visual person, you can read with me, or else you can hear and understand and talk about it. Have you ever wondered what emotions are and what purpose they serve? In this section, we will discuss how to survive mechanism affects your emotions. Then we will explain what the ego is and how it impacts your emotions. Finally, we will discover the mechanism behind emotions and learn why negative emotions can be so hard to deal with. So, ये जो part 1 है, इसके अंदर 3 chapters है. That is what it is talking about. We are going to read chapter number 1 today. How your survival mechanism affects your emotions. Why people have a bias towards negativity. Your brain is designed for survival, which explains why you are able to read this book at this very moment. When you think about it, the probability of you being born was extremely low. For this miracle to happen, all the generations before you had to survive long enough to procreate. In this, their quest for survival and procreation, they must have faced deaths hundreds or perhaps thousands of times. Fortunately, unlike your ancestors, you are probably not facing death every day. In fact, in many parts of the world, life was never been safer. Yet, your survival mechanism hasn't changed much. Your brain still scans your environment looking for the potential threats. Basically, हमारा जो दिमाग है, it has been designed this way. Reptilian brain, it is called, which keeps on looking out for the threats. वो इसलिए देखते हैं क्योंकि generations back, when the this human thing started, हम लोग पहले अपने आप को जानवरों से बचा रहे थे. Right? We were always aware कि हाँ कुछ अटैक करेगा तो I have to protect myself, I have to run, I have to do whatever, right? And उसके बाद फिर हम लोग धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा और सिविलाइज हुए तो हम लोगों ने अपने अपने घरों की बाउंड्रीज को प्रोटेक्ट करना शुरू कर दिया सो दैट नोबडी इन्वेड्स इन आवर बाउंड्री. कोई एनिमल नहीं आ सके, कोई आदमी हमारी लैंड को प्रोक्योर ना कर सके. सो दिस हैज बीन अ ट्रेड दैट हैज बीन सिंस लॉन्ग बैक. In many ways, some part of your brain have become obsolete. While you may not be you not be seconds away from being eaten by a predator, your brain still gives significantly more weight to negative events than to the positive ones. If I ask you, tell me something positive, 5 things positive about somebody sitting next to you, you will keep thinking. But the moment I ask you, इसकी बुराइयां बताओ. What is it that you don't like about this person? What is it that you want to change in this person? You will be like, ye. और बताओ ये भी. You will have 10 things to talk. And in the book that we have read earlier, I was telling how during the weekends I used to sit with my kids and I would ask them कि अच्छा इनके बारे में अच्छा ही दो अच्छे do good things tell about. I have 3 daughters, तीनों एक साथ बैठते थे. Tell me good things about these 2. Everybody has to tell. They were like हाँ समझ नहीं आ रहा. And then I would say अच्छा ठीक है 3 4 5 कोई बुराइयां बता दो. And they had a big line. And I would stop them in between कि चलो एक बुराई की जगह पांच अच्छाई गिनत के बताओ. I don't know how. And they would keep on thinking. It takes so long for us to, l- see good in people, in things around us. Today morning only, my mom was telling, I'm so upset. मेरे दांत खराब हो रहे हैं, मेरी आंखें खराब हो रही हैं. And I was like, oh, रुको एक minute, tell me what is good that is happening in your body right now. And she's like, वो छोड़, तू मुझे ये बता मैं क्या करूँ. I'm like, मम्मी, what you focus on expands. Start thinking on what is going good in your life. Okay. So, hi Anita, thank you for joining in.
Hi, Karishma.
Hi, Karishma.
Hello. आगे चलते हैं. Fear of rejection is one example of a bias towards negativity. In the past, being rejected from your tribe would reduce your chance of survival significantly. Therefore, you learn to look for any sign of rejection and this became hardwired in your brain. अभी भी हमारी लाइफ में यही है. हम अंधेरे में क्यों डरते हैं? कुछ तो है नहीं हमारे घर में. स्टिल वी आर लाइक हाउ अंधेरे से डर लगता है. राइट. सबके कैमरे ऑफ हो गए, जल्दी जल्दी ऑन कर लो टू टेल मी दैट यू आर प्रेजेंट. Nowadays, being rejected often carries little or no consequence to your long-term survival. You could be hated by the entire world and still have a job, a roof, plenty of food on the table, yet your brain is still programmed to perceive rejection as a threat to your survival. आज की डेट में हमारे को कोई दिक्कत परेशानी नहीं है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, कि अगर हम नहीं भी कोई हमारे को रिजेक्ट कर भी देगा तो भी वी हैव थिंग्स दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अस लीव द लाइफ एज वी विश टू. बट हमको फिर भी क्यों दुख होता है, कोई हमारे को मना कर दे, नो आई डोंट लाइक यू, नो आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू यू. और मे बी रिश्ता आता है, रिजेक्शन हो जाता है, तो वी फील कि अरे यार ऐसे कैसे हो गया. दैट्स बेसिकली हाउ इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट. This is why rejection can be so painful. While you know most rejections are no big deal, you nevertheless feel the emotional pain. If you listen to your mind, you may even create a whole drama around it. You can believe you aren't worthy of love, dwell on the rejections of days or weeks. Worse still, you may become depressed as a result of this rejection. A very beautiful example that I can give you on this is बच्चा पीछे पड़ा हुआ है, आइसक्रीम खानी है, आइसक्रीम खानी है, आइसक्रीम खानी है. फिर ज्यादा नहीं देंगे, बच्चा मुंह फुला के बैठ जाता है, मुझे आइसक्रीम नहीं दे रहे, आप मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते. In fact, one single criticism can often outweigh hundreds of positive ones. That's why an author with 55-star reviews is likely to feel terrible when they receive a single one-star review. While the author understands the one-star review isn't a threat to her survival, her authorial brain doesn't. It likely interprets the negative review as a threat to her ego, which triggers an emotional reaction. The fear of rejection can also lead you to over-dramatize events. If your boss criticized you at work, your brain may see the event as a threat and you will think, what if I'm fired? What if I can't find a job quickly enough and my wife leaves me? What about my kids? What if I can't see them again? While you are fortunate to have such an effective survival mechanism, it is also your responsibility to separate real threats from the imaginary ones. If you don't, you will experience unnecessary pain and worry that will negatively impact the quality of your life. To overcome this bias towards negativity, you must reprogram your mind. One of the human beings greatest power is our ability to use our thoughts to shape our reality and interpret events in a more empowering way. This book will teach you how to do this. अभी तक के लिए, before we go on to the action step, I would love for each one of you to share with me what is your perspective on this. मैंने तो अपने साथ साथ share कर दिए थे, right? Let's hear it from you, Vartika. What would you like to share on what we have read as of now?
This is very much true, that we have developed this thing over the years that whatever rejections or judgments that are being given, and we start living with those. So uh, we tend to stop believing in ourselves also. And this what I guess this book is going to teach, like how you can overcome all these negative thoughts that you have been living with for so long, maybe since your childhood. Maybe it's from your friends, it's from your parents, it's from your relatives, and you stop believing yourself. So this is the thing that you have to overcome, and how you're going to master your emotions.
Do you have any such emotion that is stuck within you? Kuch aisa incident from the past that you can relate to, that has impacted your personality right now. Although we are the putla of that only, yet
Hmm.
there are some things that somebody said that has triggered us so badly. सारा
Yeah,
कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हो जाता है. You know how we keep on telling our kids, तू पढ़ती नहीं है ना, तू फेल हो जाएगी, तू पढ़ती नहीं. And then the kid
right,
has it in a mind कि मैं पढ़ती नहीं हूँ इसलिए मैं फेल हो सकती हूँ, मैं पढ़ूंगी नहीं तो मैं
exactly.
फेल हो जाऊंगी. बट इज दैट द रियलिटी? नॉलेज होगी अगर कंसेप्ट की तो शी विल पास इन एनी.
Absolutely, huh?
Do you have anything on that?
Yeah, so my father, I mean, I wasn't very good in studies during my um, school days. So he used to keep telling me कि तू कुछ नहीं कर सकती, कुछ नहीं कर सकती. But ठीक है, 12th, I really didn't do anything. But then when I was in my graduation, तो I myself realized कि I have to prove him wrong. अगर वो तो कुछ नहीं कर सकती तो मैं कुछ कर कर ही दिखाऊंगी. And I don't know how it triggered me. Then I started studying so hard, and in my third year, like I was amongst the toppers of my college. So now this thing can be like it can have a dual effect. Yeah, बोल रहे आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो आप उसको रख के बैठ जाओ अपने माइंड में. सेकेंड थिंग आप उसको रॉन्ग प्रूव कर कर दिखाओ कि अब मैं बताती हूँ कि हाउ रॉन्ग आर एंड हाउ रॉन्गली यू हैव बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट. This
I
is
know
what I
so
did,
many
and
people.
it has really helped me a lot.
Wonderful. I know so many people who read their horoscope every single morning in the newspaper. अभी उसके अंदर जो लिखा है ना, they will say आज तो यही होने वाला है, and they keep on
हाँ,
their focus remains on ये कब हुआ मेरी दिन दिन.
exactly.
And that happens. And there are other kind of people who say आज ये लिखा है ना कि लड़ाई होनी, I'll make sure whatever happens I don't fight, I'll cut off from that place.
Absolutely.
All right, let's hear it from Renu. Renu.
I'll speak later.
ठीक है.
Let me hear out.
Okay. Let's hear it from you, Komal.
So same like Vartika, even when I am poked by my father, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तो same response like Vartika. ये मेरी मतलब if he wants to find mistake of my mother or something like, but that is mom has to defend that, but he will combine both of us together. तुम दोनों कुछ, तुम दोनों. Then I separate myself from that space. Why labeling me also?
I still
मतलब she has
remember जब मेरे बच्चे बहुत छोटे थे तो आई यूज टू कीप टेलिंग देम, जो पढ़ाई नहीं करता ना वो उनको घर घर जाके झाड़ू पोछे करने पड़ते हैं, बर्तन सफाई करनी पड़ती है. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं तो नहीं कर रही यार. I got married before I graduated. I finished my graduation after marriage. तो मैं क्यों घर घर जाके झाड़ू पोछे तो नहीं कर रही हूँ. And to be honest, I've found so many people who have not achieved much in their education field, yet they are doing amazingly well in their lives. It's all there.
definitely. And we have realized, matlab, that is experience also, that 90% things are good, only 5 or
वो जिनके
10%.
90% आते थे, 97% आते थे, they have nothing to do. They're still struggling. मेरे को तो जॉब नहीं मिल रही, मेरे को
1%. See, same like they want 1% extra marks, same like our life also. We are just looking at जो 1% खराब है life में, 99% ठीक है, जो abundance दिख रहा है around everything. So we will focus on only that little bit. जो which book is also telling about, because of the mechanism of survival, that because of danger that we have to survive ourselves in those conditions.
Great. Let's hear it from Renu. Are you ready now? नहीं?
Yes, I'm always ready. But I was stuck somewhere. I thought, okay, I'll speak later. For me, I remember my childhood. I used to ask, I needed always validation for everything. That was my problem. That, matlab, till now, somewhere I'm stuck in that. And because of that, I overthink a lot. Then I overthink and then my anger comes out. But something triggers me this way. Ki I was very fat, very, very. So everyone used to tell me, मतलब जहाँ भी I used to go ना, तो they used to tell me A मोटी ऐसे बोलते थे, and then I used to stare at them, तो वो बोलते थे HER. I still remember that. So वो consciousness is still there. Ki I should not gain, and I should look good more in that way. Physical attributes should be there. Ki presentable, and how do I talk and all everything that way. So I improved myself in that way. I saw self criticism was there a lot. Ki no, I'm not doing good here. I'm not doing good there. I should work, and even this also, education also.
Wonderful.
Till fifth, sixth, I was brilliant. After sixth, बाप till 10th, I was hey, why, बाप then 11th, 12th, I was on track. Then still I'm learning, I'm loving it, every part of it, and till death, I want to learn.
Chalo,
That's
very
it.
good.
Yeah.
Very nice. Let's hear it from you, Vikas.
Very rightly said by Renu, Vartika, Komal. Just I was sharing in the morning itself कि हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमें up to the age of 14 years we have been told you cannot do it by our parents, by our teachers, and by the society. Approximately 1,48,000 times. So this severe criticism gets so hammered into us that we lose our voice altogether. It is not us who do the talking, but the inner voice which has been hammered into us by our parents and society does that talking. So every time we fear rejection, it's like if I go outside of the room, I might meet with an accident. So better not to go outside. So we start fearing rejection so much so that we start rejecting ourselves in the first place itself. We start losing our sense of self-worth. We think that we are no good. Before anyone says that you are not good, I beforehand tell myself that I am not good. So this way we downplay our success, we sabotage ourselves, and we fall into the loop of self-rejection. So, yeah, times have changed, environment have changed. We earlier used to be in Paleolithic times when there was threat of wild animals, tiger, lion, etc. We were in that survival mode at that time. Now, environment has changed, but our mindset still remains the same. That is, it is in survival mode.
Yes.
Now, in place of tiger, we have created fictitious fear most of the times, and we blow it out of proportion, and we extrapolate what is happening actually. Like the book mentions कि नौकरी छूटी और उसके बाद की कहानी शुरू हो गई. पता नहीं वाइफ मेरे को रिजेक्ट ना कर दे, पता नहीं घर वाले मेरे को छोड़ने चले जाएं. तो वी एक्स्ट्रापोलेट द स्टोरी. मतलब मैं एक तो शेर है नहीं, हम शेर को लेते आए जबरदस्ती. शेर को ले ही नहीं आए, शेर को इतना खिलाए, हम खिला भी रहे हैं और शेर से भाग भी रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक दैट, है ना? तो ये this is the situation we are facing. So we have to be compassionate, we have to be tolerant, we have to be we have to show love towards ourselves. For अगर दुनिया रिजेक्ट भी करती है तो वो उतना मायने नहीं करता यदि हम अपने आप को रिजेक्ट नहीं करते. हमें को डेंट तभी होता है जब दुनिया ने बोला आप कोई काम के नहीं हो और हम बोलना शुरू कर दिया हम काम के नहीं हैं.
Right.
तो अगर इसका उल्टा हो, अगर मैं बोलूं मैं काम का हूं, आई एम वर्दी जस्ट बिकॉज आई एग्जिस्ट, दुनिया चाहे लाख भी बोलते रहे यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ, यू आर वर्थलेस, जो कुछ भी बोलते रहे, लेकिन अगर हमने अपने आप को बोला हुआ है आई नो माई वर्थ, तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Absolutely. On that,
Thank you.
Anita, have you heard this, whatever we have read? Because I think your connection is very poor. And hello, Archana, thank you for joining in. आपने अभी join किया तो I know that you have not heard the part that we have read, so I'll not ask you. Anita, आपने सुना है?
नहीं करिश्मा अभी थोड़ा सा बिजी
Okay, never mind. So, this thing that the author has given us the prompt to think about is, हाँ वर्तिका बताओ.
Sorry to interrupt. I just want to know for how long the meeting will continue.
This session happens for 1 hour, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m.
Okay. So I'll be leaving in between because it's like 2:40 my daughter comes, so I have to go and pick her up.
ठीक है.
So if it's every day the same time, तो 2:40 तक ही मैं attend कर सकती हूँ.
It's okay. जो मिले अच्छा, I would say. Something is better than nothing at all, right? Before you go, I'm sharing a prompt right now. I
Okay.
would like for you to reflect on it and write it in your notebook. I hope मैंने इस बार बोला था सबको to come with a pen and paper because there are too many prompts in this book. Wonderful. I love it, Renu. The prompt says, find one example of an imaginary threat resulting from your survival mechanism. Can you see how the mind works? Feel free to write in detail in your book. I will share it in the group as well. Vartika, which group? अच्छा तो आप हो ना book reading club में तो you will get the prompt there. ठीक है? I'll write it down. अगर आपको miss out हो जाएगा तो I would love for each one of you to reflect on this. ठीक है? Let's go ahead with the chapter. Why your brain job isn't to make you happy. Oh, sorry. I'll share the screen. Why your brain's job isn't to make you happy. Your brain's primary job is not to make you happy, but to ensure your survival. We all know it, right? हम लोगों को सबको पता है. We have been listening about it since long, and अभी भी इतनी सारी इसके बारे में discussion हुई है. To protect us from whatever threat, it has to. और अगर हमारे को ये हमारा ब्रेन इस तरीके से काम करना बंद हो जाए, कोई हमारे से हमारा बैग खींच के भाग जाएगा, तो we will be just seeing like this only. So it is necessary to have it for the reflexes, right? कहीं ऊपर से छत गिर रही होती है तो हम कैसे पीछे होते हैं? Why? Because it can figure out कि जल्दी से ये threat है. I have to save myself. I have to protect myself. Thus, if you want to be happy, you must take control of your emotions rather than hoping you will be happy because it's your natural state. In the following section, we will discuss what happiness is and how it works. How dopamine can mess with your happiness. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter which, among other functions, plays a major role in rewarding certain behaviors. When dopamine is released into specific areas of your brain, the pleasure center, you get a high. That is what happens during exercise, when you gamble, have sex, or eat great food. One of the roles of dopamine is to ensure you look for food so you don't die of starvation, and you search for a mate so you can reproduce. Without dopamine, our species would likely to extinct by now. It's a pretty good thing, right? Well, yes and no. In today's world, this reward system is in many cases obsolete. While in the past, dopamine was linked to our survival instinct, the release of dopamine can now be generated artificially. A great example of this effect is social media, which uses psychology to suck as much time as possible out of your life. सबने देखा है? We are just scrolling through the social media all the time. Have you noticed all these notifications that pop up constantly? They are used to trigger a release of dopamine so you can stay connected. And longer you stay connected, the more money the services make. Watching pornography or gambling also leads to a release of dopamine, which can make these activities highly addictive. Fortunately, we don't need to act each time our brain releases dopamine. For instance, we don't need to constantly check our Facebook newsfeed just because it gives us a pleasurable shot of dopamine. Today's society is selling a version of happiness that can make us unhappy. Kaise? We have become addicted to dopamine largely because of marketers who have found effective ways to exploit our brain. We receive multiple shots of dopamine throughout the day and we love it. But is that the same thing as happiness? No. Worse than that, dopamine can create real addictions with severe consequences on our health. सारा दिन हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं. Why? Social media, phone, Facebook, Instagram, I don't know, Twitter, everything is taking up the space. University shows, research conducted at Tuolane University showed that when given permission to self-stimulate their pleasure center, participants did it an average of 40 times per minute. They chose the stimulation of their pleasure center over food, even refusing to eat when hungry. Korean Lee Seung-suk is an extreme case of this syndrome. In 2005, Mr. Suk died after playing a video game for 58 hours straight with little food or water and no sleep. Can you imagine? The subsequent investigation concluded the cause of death was heart failure induced by exhaustion and dehydration. He was only 28 years old. और हमारे बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? बैठे हुए हैं, देखते जा रहे हैं. And when I tell them कि आओ खाना खाओ ना, the first thing they do after getting off the bed is go to loo. Because they were avoiding going to loo only because they were scrolling or playing some game on the social media or on this phone. To take control of your emotions, it is essential you understand the role dopamine plays and how it affects your happiness. Are you addicted to your phone? Are you glued to your TV? Or maybe you spend too much time playing video games. Most of us are addicted to something. For some people, it's obvious, but for others, it's more subtle. For instance, you could be addicted to thinking. The overthinkers in the room. To better control your emotions, it is important to shed the light on your addictions as they can rob you of your happiness. It says, the one day I will myth. Do you believe that one day you will achieve your dreams and finally be happy? Ana, hum sabko lagta hai, right? This is unlikely to happen. You may or happily ever after. This is just another trick of your mind that your mind plays on you. शादी के बाद क्या होता है? Happily ever after. How many of you are happily ever after? Your mind
We
will
all.
all wonderful, amazing. Your mind quickly assimilates to new situations, which is probably the result of evolution and our need to adapt continually in order to survive and reproduce. This is also probably why the new car or house you want will only make you happy for a while. Once the initial excitement wears off, you will move on to crave the next exciting thing. This phenomena is known as hedonic adaptation. हाँ, आप अपने बच्चे को एक कार लेके देते हो, 10 दिन बच्चा बहुत ध्यान से खेलता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट द चाइल्ड सेज, वो उसको फेंक देता है, उसको पता भी नहीं उसकी कार कहाँ गई. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर वन डे माई डॉटर टोल्ड मी कि उसको ना उस टाइम पे कुछ तो एक बास्केट आई थी, उसके अंदर बहुत सारी डॉल्स का सेट था एंड दिस एंड दैट, और बहुत सारी उसकी चीजें थी, एंड आई टोल्ड हर नो, यू प्ले फॉर अ फ्यू डेज एंड देन यू थ्रो इट अवे, एंड इट वाज समथिंग समवेयर अराउंड 5,000. And I was like, नहीं ये नहीं मैं लेके दे रही हूँ, you are going to just throw it away after a few days. And she's like, नहीं please, I'll take care of it, please get me. And I, okay, you wait for a few days, I'll get it to you on your birthday. I got that for her birthday, and उसने कितने दिन खेला उससे? She played for a few days sincerely. She took care of all the things. She would put them all in the basket back and everything. And उसके 20 दिन के बाद she was done with it. Now she wanted something else. That is how we are as well. Hello, Asha. Thank you for joining in. How hedonic adaptation works. Let's understand. Let me share an interesting study that will likely change the way you see happiness. This study, which was conducted on lottery winners and paraplegics, was extremely eye-opening for me. Conducted in 1978, the investigation evaluated how winning the lottery and becoming a paraplegic influences happiness. The study found, are we on the same page? No. Okay. The study found that 1 year after the event, both groups were just as happy as they were beforehand. Yes, just as happy or unhappy. You can find more about it by watching Dan Gebrett's TED Talk, The Surprising Science of Happiness. Perhaps you believe that you will be happy once you have made it. But as the above study on happiness shows, this is simply not true. No matter what happens to you, you will revert back to your predetermined level of happiness once you have adopted to the new event. This is how our mind works. Does that mean you can't be happier than you are right now? No. What it means is that in the long run, external events have very little impact on our level of happiness. In fact, according to Sonja something, author of The How of Happiness, 50% of our happiness is determined by the genetics, 40% by internal factors, and only 10% by external factors. These external factors include such things as whether we are single or married, rich or poor, and similar social influences. See, this suggests only 10% of your happiness is linked to external factors, which is probably way less than you thought, isn't it? The bottom line is this: your attitude towards life influences your happiness, not what happens to you. By now, you understand how your survival mechanism impacts negatively your emotions and prevents you from experiencing more joy and happiness in your life. In the next section, we will learn about the ego. But first, there's another action step. But before we go on to the action step, this is what I would like to say. Jab we reach to whatever, wherever we want to reach, एक mountain peak के ऊपर जब हम पहुंचते हैं, we know there is another mountain peak. यहाँ तक पहुंचने के प्रोसेस में we enjoy the process, we are excited that we are reaching there, but the moment you reach there, after a few days, you start thinking about how to achieve the next goal. To take a very small example, let it be a weight loss thing. Hello Muskan, thank you for joining in. अगर हम weight loss में कहते हैं मेरे को 5 किलो reduce करना है, you lose 5 kgs, and then बहुत मजा आता है, oh yes, I've shed 5 kilos and I'm looking good, this and that, but after that what happens? यार इससे काम नहीं चलेगा, अभी साड़ी की फिट थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, अभी सूट में थोड़ी सी अभी मोटी लग रही हूँ, अभी ये वाली ड्रेस पहनी थी तो ज्यादा अच्छी नहीं लग रही हूँ, let me shed another 5 kilos. Does that mean कि हैप्पीनेस खत्म है, मिलेगी नहीं? एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स के ऊपर जब तक आप डिपेंड करते रहोगे तब तक यू आर गोइंग टू फेस द सेम. यू आर गोइंग टू सी कि you will be happy but for this much of time.
Archana, you're on mute, you're saying something.
Maybe she's talking to somebody else.
Is it?
This is
you
what
can
I
ask.
wanted to share. I would love for Reenu to unmute and share her perspective on this.
I was writing on this कि example Hamleys बहुत ज़्यादा it was कुछ around 5 years back Hamleys बहुत ज़्यादा था.
Yes,
And
हाँ,
toys
yes,
and very costly at
Yes.
that time.
yes.
And what I used to do, me and my husband used to go to Mumbai. हम लोग या कहीं भी out of town for 5 days, फिर guilt tripping without kids asking from us. We used to spend. There are 2 kids in our home, and means because of my guilt कि I could not take them along, I used to buy gifts for them, but that guilt tripping was always there. And that happiness was not there because after seeing them after 10 months, not more than 1 week, they used to lose that all that energy to play with that. और skates भी थे बीच में, हैप्पीनेस के skates आते थे डिफरेंट टाइप के। मैंने इतना ढूंढ ढूंढ के उनके लिए उस पे एयरपोर्ट पे लेके गई, वो एनर्जी नहीं थी उन लोगों की, मतलब वो वी डोंट वांट दिस। तो ऐसा लगा कि आई वाज फाइंडिंग अदर टाइप ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, मींस आई वाज गिविंग my thought process ka happiness, but they wanted other type of happiness, this also differs, right? And ये एक और चीज, हाँ, guilt tripping, yes, this only I wanted to and overthinking also, yes, I am suffering from overthinking. Think, but after some time I feel it's you
know a technique how to get rid of it.
Yes,
let's do it then.
Just accepting ki yes, I have overthinking, with action we can change it.
Wonderful. Let's hear it from you, Komal.
For overthinking only, I started thinking that what is the answer? This is our brain. We all do. Overthinking topic came, I forgot what is the topic. Then I was like, you can do journaling. And first journaling came in mind. And another is breathing, like box breathing and many other, Anulom Vilom in Hindi. Yeah. That is most, it balances your Surya and Chandra. That is, anything helps now, breathing in any way. Whichever way, there are a lot of techniques. So both things. That is for me also. I pasted on my cupboards. Like if overthinking, do this. If this, then do this. Sleep.
Put
Sleep
reminders.
mostly. 5 things are there negative, and what you are feeling sad, then do this. Anxious, then journal something. I don't even remember what is there, even if it is there. But it's like dance, journal, sleep, take rest, or eat something, have water, such type of things on the right side, and left side is anxious, overthinking, sad, and those feelings.
Renu, what do you have to say? Share.
I'll suggest Komal to share in the group, please. That
Yeah, definitely.
emotion and what to do at that time. It's wonderful.
Yeah,
Please do share.
उसमें
yeah,
करना
definitely.
भी.
It will be helpful for everyone.
Put it in.
Reflection, yes, reflection prompt in that.
Sure.
All right, let's hear it from Muskan. Muskan तो so cute गई है.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Where
Good
is Muskan?
morning, Muskan.
एक second.
Huh?
Aisha, we are discussing about this book only.
Achha, you just woke up. I thought you just went abroad. Good morning. So I thought in different countries only.
Wait, we have something in chat.
Okay.
Let me take that first and then we'll go ahead. No? Okay, Vartika needed to leave. She left. Asha is saying hi. What is this regarding? We are reading this amazing book, which says Master Your Emotions. And we are talking about happiness. What I have spoken about, I think you were there in the room right there when I was sharing my insights on it, that हम किसी भी point पे पहुंच जाते हैं. We do not stay happy there and हमारे को next level क्या achieve करना है वो दिखना शुरू हो जाता है. Because of which the happiness is very limited. The duration of that happiness is very limited. And we keep on thinking ki abhi what next do I need to achieve to feel that dopamine. Having said that, these are the external factors because of which you achieving that gives you the dopamine, gives you the happiness. We are looking out here कि आपको क्या happiness देता है. What is it that you can do? What is it that you are not doing? And how can you actually work on this कि आपको external की जगह internal happiness के ऊपर focus करने के लिए so that prolongs the happiness. So जब आप एक point पे पहुंच के next point देख रहे हो, the book is suggesting कि it's not that you cannot be actually happy all the time. For me, I find joy in the small things, small events of life. आज मुझसे किसी ने थोड़ी सी ज्यादा देर बात करी, I could help them, that gives me happiness. आज मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ टिगलिंग मिंगलिंग करके ऐसे हंसती खेलती सो गई, that gives me happiness. But having said that, all these are the external factors. वो तो उतने टाइम के लिए हैप्पीनेस हो गई, अगले दिन you will say, and now what? आज के दिन में क्या करना है, right? So you have to feel, you have to go deep inside of yourself to see कि हम उसको कैसे
This
achieve.
is somehow, what if this is somehow related to internal happiness only? Because external कई बार materialistic नहीं है इसमें, that बच्चों के साथ कर लिया, see, so maybe internal वाला ही आ रहा है, वो different time, you will, it's not 24 hours दिखेगा ना. So even if you are maintaining internal happiness, you are finding, then you will see sequences कभी बच्चों के साथ खेल के वही तो वही externally दिख रहा है ना. So
Your
you don't,
internal world is a reflection.
yeah.
नहीं, outer
Is I,
outer world is the reflection of your inner world. If you are finding joys,
hmm.
अगर आप misery देख रहे हो, if you are feeling कि यार I'm not accomplishing anything, I'm not doing this and that, then that is also the state of
What I
your.
want to say is, if you're not labeling on the big goals, that if I become India's best, then I am going to do this, right? Or I get this car, then, or get married, or have kids, such type of things. Label nahi kiya. Then, and if you're labeling only on the small things, not label, you're
डाल
getting,
देते हैं हम, कंडीशन डाल देते हैं. मेरे पास जब तक 50 लाख रुपए नहीं आएंगे मैं तो खुश नहीं होने वाली हूँ. मैं तो हाथी घोड़े बेचूंगी, मैं सब कुछ करूंगी, बट मैं तो
हाँ,
सिर्फ काम ही करूंगी.
so that can be external. I meant to say कि मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि जो small small things हैं, I feel that is fine. वो
यस,
उसको internal मान लिया. Yeah.
आशा, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ ना. मैसेज मैसेज क्यों खेल रहे हो मेरे साथ? हाँ,
My son is back from home, तो मैं उसको देख रही थी जरा.
ओके
That is why बीच बीच में परेशान करता रहता है. He is 7 year only.
ओके.
So according to me, happiness is a choice. Like जैसे हम आइज क्लोज करते हैं तो अगर मैंगो की बात करते हैं तो मैंगो आ जाता है. इट इज लाइक दैट. इफ आई से मैं अगर आइज क्लोज कर लूँ, मैं अपने आप से ये अपने डिक्लेयर करूँ, लाइक आई एम हैप्पी, हैप्पीनेस इज माई नेचुरल स्टेट, आई एम हैप्पी. अगर मैं 10-11 टाइम इसको बोल दूंगी तो यू नो व्हाट आई फील की हैप्पीनेस फील होने लग जाती है इंस्टेंटली. सो फॉर मी इज अ चॉइस. कभी कभी हम बहुत मुश्किल कर देते हैं हैप्पीनेस का, वो लेबल कर देते हैं उसको, लेबल कर दे ये हो जाएगा तो हैप्पीनेस आ जाएगी, वो हो जाएगा. तो बेसिकली द थिंग इज, लाइफ का जो मेन गोल हैप्पीनेस ही होता है. चाहे हम कुछ भी अचीव करने के लिए हम एक टारगेट माइलस्टोन रखते हैं कि ये होगा तो हैप्पी होगा, वो होगा तो हैप्पी होगा, बट वो कभी हो नहीं पाता है बिकॉज उसके बाद कुछ और आ जाता है, उसके बाद कुछ और आ जाता है, कभी उसके बाद कुछ और आ जाता है. तो हैप्पीनेस जहां पर हम हैं हम वहीं पे भी फील कर सकते हैं. इट इज नॉट अबाउट कि हम ये अचीव कर लेंगे तो हम हैप्पी हो जाएंगे. सो फॉर मी दिस इज हैप्पीनेस.
Yes, absolutely. That is happiness. Why? Because this is a choice, constant intention setting that you do every single day. Right? Wonderfully shared. I love it, Asha. Let's hear it from Muskan.
We as human beings like to be in the state of suffering. That takes away our happiness. We take pride in suffering. I have been this through, and when we take pride in suffering, we lost our happiness because at that time we seek attention. That I have been through more than you have been, and at that time I feel we have, because I am always using NLP on myself only. I always scribble my bad story and then उसमें ही not हटा के I scribble a positive story. So one powerful question which changed my life in last year was how this disempowering story is serving me. And the moment we think that I am the only one who is creating suffering, that all the past does not exist at present, why I am को क्यों खींच के यहाँ पर लेकर आ रही हूँ. And the second thing which helps is writing 20 emotional goals. Yeah.
Muskan, having been, as I was hearing you saying this, don't you think any disempowering story is also fulfilling some goal of yours? मेरे को तो
Disempowering
how
stories.
many women keep they stay into the victim zone and they don't take action. They keep saying कि मेरे साथ तो ऐसे हो गया, मेरे साथ तो ऐसे हो गया. They know the actions that they need to take, but they are not courageous enough to take the action, and they rather stay in that victim zone, thinking कि हाय मैं तो बेचारी अबला नारी हूँ, and everybody around keeps on sympathizing with them. हाय तू तो बेचारी, because तेरी शादी हो गई, ऐसे घर में हो गई, इसकी वजह से तेरे साथ ऐसे हो रहा है. And let me tell you, this was my story. This was my story. अभी भी मेरे बच्चे कुछ बात करते हैं ना. yesterday night I was talking to my daughter and she was like, उस टाइम पे तो आपका विक्टिम वाली एनर्जी चल रही थी ना, योर बट वाज हैपनिंग, कि मेरे साथ तो, पर मेरे साथ तो, पर मेरे को तो, पर मेरी तो. Let's hear it from Archana.
So hi everyone. So listening to different lovely discussions. So for me, happiness is a state of mind. Okay. So we can look for happiness in very small, lovely things. You can be happy just looking at a flower bird or a butterfly, rather than being not finding happiness if you have crores of money.
Tiny thing बोला तो फ्लावर ही याद आया था मुझे भी.
मेरे
I
को भी
don't know why.
sunshine.
So actually, why we are not feeling happy? Because we have always set our standards so high for being happy. इतनी expectations है अपने से, दुनिया से, जहान से, कि हम उसको बस पूरा करने के दौड़ में भाग रहे हैं. And we are not actually trying to find out, यार, this moment which we are living right now is such a beautiful moment. Why not to be happy at this moment?
Absolutely.
We are just
गाँव में तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना, पेन भी नहीं है, प्लेजर,
No.
इट्स ऑल जस्ट न्यूट्रल.
This is the lovely state of our being. जो हम कर रहे हैं वो present state में हम क्यों नहीं happy रहना सीखते हैं? Why यार ये होगा तभी मैं happy हो सकूंगी, नहीं तो मैं happy हो ही नहीं पाऊंगी. No, if you are happy right now, you would be happy in another second also, the other second also, the other second also, and likewise your minute and hours become happier, and your days become happier. I still remember that story when we were child. एक story थी, a poem that I just don't remember exactly, but happy the happy man. So there was a king na who never felt happy, कि मैं खुश कैसे, मेरे पास पैसा है, सब कुछ है, but फिर भी मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. So he ordered अपने लोगों को, please find someone who is the most happiest man existing in this मेरे राज्य में कौन सबसे खुश है. लोग इधर उधर ढूंढते हैं, कभी कुछ कोई दुखी है, कभी कोई दुखी है, and finally they found a man with no shirt over him, और वो आराम से फील्ड में बैठा लेटा एंड गुनगुना रहा है, और उससे पूछ रहे हैं कि भाई क्या बात है, तेरे पास कुछ है नहीं, एंड यू आर लाइक एंजॉयिंग, सीटी मार रहा है, गाने गा रहा है, एंजॉय कर रहा है. तभी तो मैं खुश हूँ, मुझे कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है लाइफ में ना. लाइक दिस इज माई प्रेजेंट मोमेंट एंड आई एम लिविंग माई प्रेजेंट लाइफ. और वो उसको लेके जाता है, ही इज द मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट मैन एग्जिस्टिंग इन योर राज्य. सो हम just imagine we have everything, but problem is that we are not looking at that, what we have, how we are influencing others, how we are impacting the lives of others, how our story is changing the life of others. हम create कर रहे हैं भाई, तभी हम एक दूसरे को सुन रहे हैं, and that's what we are creating happiness. अगर मेरी बात से अगर किसी की लाइफ में 1% चेंज भी आ रहा है, that is happiness to me. So but मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि चीजें हमें नहीं चाहिए, but just live in your present moment and everything will come automatically.
It's like you are happiness, you are happiness, you are happiness.
Yes.
Komal is happiness.
We
Muskan is
all
happiness.
are
Ashish is
happiness. Sitting here, we all are happiness. We are finding our happy moment right here. तभी आप टाइम निकाल के बैठे हो ना. या कुछ लोग चलते फिरते भी सुन रहे होंगे, because they don't want to miss any word. चल मेरे कान में कुछ पड़ जाएगा. That is happiness for me.
Wonderful, beautiful share, Archana.
Thank you.
ये देखते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन पॉइंट ऑथर ने क्या दिया है हमारे को. The reflection point for happiness is identify things that you believe gives you shot of dopamine. TV, video games, gambling, social media. Write them down. ठीक है? And once you have written them down, Which one of these things are you the most addicted to? What activity, if you were to take a break from, would you be craving? Write it down. क्या फोन ले लें सबसे आज के दिन में?
No.
हाँ,
क्या
अच्छा फोन में से आज इंस्टाग्राम तो डिलीट कर दो.
नहीं है क्या?
Please. हाँ वही तो है.
लगोगे तो हार्ट अटैक दे दे.
अच्छा कौन सा? क्या फेसबुक डिलीट करना चाहते हो?
नहीं we'll do digital उपवास ना. I do this. डिजिटल उपवास करो ना. ऐसे डिलीट करना इज नॉट गुड फॉर अस. मेंटल हैरेसमेंट हो जाएगा. तो इट्स बेटर टू कीप योर मतलब ऐसे डेली का वो करो कि
कभी लगे ना
व्हाट्सएप.
फोन गुम हो रहा है तो गड़बड़ कितना लगता है. ओ माय गॉड, वेयर इज माय फोन. जैसे ब्रीथिंग जा रहा है.
मैं तो व्हाट्सएप ही ऑन नहीं करती हूँ. 8 hours आई डोंट ओपन व्हाट्सएप. पर
हाँ
ये है
सो
कि
जाते
फिर
हो ना तब.
नहीं. आई डोंट. आई डोंट.
That's good. That is the reflection point for today.
यस.
To sit and think on it and see what can you do about it, baby. Yes, that is detox is a very good way of doing it.
For me, this
Try
thing
it.
happens when I'm outside my house. Then I don't see phone when I'm attending marriage and all those things when relatives are there.
मैं तो
Obviously,
मेरा तो
then
rule है. My rule in life is the moment I sit in the car, phone band. No phone. जो मर्जी हो जाए. Anyway, thank you all for joining in. I will write these 2 reflection points in the chat as well, in the group as well. And tomorrow we will be reading about what is ego. If you wish to understand what is ego, I would love for you to attend the session tomorrow at 2 p.m.
I
have
will.
I have
I need that.
recently studied about emotions
अरे वाह.
and want to speak about it.
Hmm.
इमोशंस लाइक एक छोटे बच्चे बोले पैराग्राफ लर्न करके आया है वो बोलना है. द सेम थिंग. इमोशंस इक्वल टू ई प्लस मोशन. ई स्टैंड्स फॉर एनर्जी. Which energy we are putting in the motion in the universe depends upon which energy we are going to attract. The powerful concept is that we humans are black and white, and we are not angels, we are not devils, we are human. Now, because we are humans, the day we will accept this, we will also know that we are having good things in us, we are having bad things in us, and whenever we will do the bad things or we will do the mistakes, we will feel it is a part of me being human. Otherwise, I won't be a human, or I would be a god if I do not mistakes. So the moment
शैडो तो सबकी है ना. हम जो भी ह्यूमंस है, बिना शैडो के कोई नहीं है ना. जो बिना शैडो का है वो तो भूत है. शैडो सबकी है ना. Likewise, if you are a human, there is some shadow with you. There is something that is not good about you, and it is being human. हाँ.
And this I remember in there is some shadow work also, gestalt therapy, in which it is very powerful concept told that जितने भी लोगों से मैं मिली हूँ बचपन से लेकर आज दिन तक, उनका कलर मेरी सोल के ऊपर ऑलरेडी है. Sometimes we say ना कि the particular souls does not exist in our life anymore, चाहे बचपन के फ्रेंड्स हो, चाहे 11th 12th के फ्रेंड्स हो, चाहे कॉलेज के फ्रेंड्स हो, बट दे उनके कलर्स मेरे सोल पे अभी भी हैं.
मैं
So
भी
that
हमारी.
so we have to be very conscious कि किससे हमें मिलना है और किससे हमें नहीं मिलना है.
But can you control it?
We can say no.
Muskan, it's somewhat similar like having imprints on your life.
हाँ, you're right.
Yeah. So you are carrying those imprints. So yes, we have so many things to give story
And
about.
yes, मतलब मेरे को तो जब से स्टोरी का कॉन्सेप्ट पता चला है तब से मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कितनी सारी स्टोरी है जो चेंज करनी है. There is lot of stories inside जो कॉन्शियस से सबकॉन्शियस से कॉन्शियस में आ जाती है, and we go in different zones in life, and वो इनर वर्क रह जाता है कहीं ना कहीं. Somewhat.
अपनी सोल से मिलना भी हमारी जर्नी है और नहीं मिलना भी हमारी जर्नी है.
अब रेनू किसी से मिली भी है, मैं तो नहीं मिली. Why?
What is
like
that
Muskan
story
is
concept?
saying ना कि we can block, मतलब कितना लेना है कितना नहीं. मतलब if someone is my friend, but if I want to stop, वहाँ पे boundaries put कर, तो जैसे मैम ने मुझे आज बोला block this person. So from there it is coming, like I am like मैम मैं humanity, or like I just allow everyone, मतलब बिल्कुल कि narrow minded हो जाएगा अगर उसने फिर क्या हुआ ये बहुत जो भी some matter. So ma'am says no, even if you keep your platter, but you have to keep your boundary. Word मेरा था, but something uh, for that also. Yeah.
Asha,
कोमल
Plus some
मतलब
other,
sorry.
yeah.
Asha was saying something.
What is shadow work?
आशा ही बोल रही है शैडो वर्क। बताओ भाई, अर्चना। अर्चना इज a healer, she will tell you.
Shadow work is again a healing modality wherein
Modality.
yeah, basically it's a concept wherein you have a darker side or a lighter side, and mostly we do not work on our darker sides.
Dark.
We don't want to travel there and don't want to see what actually lies there. बहुत सारी हमारी लाइफ में अगर आप भी
So
देखोगे
can
ना,
we release it just like that, or
yes, yes, through healings
oh,
anything can be possible, and you can
okay.
emerge as a very
Because I
powerful
asked my
force.
ma'am, डेलना मैम को बोला तो मैम कहती वो शेडो है, दिस सेम थिंग केम, कि मैं आई वाज सेइंग मैम दिस फेस सीम्स डिफरेंट टू मी, समथिंग सम
एक्चुअली
क्लेवर
चीजें
कोमल
वही
दैट.
है कोमल, बट क्या है कि क्योंकि हीलर्स बहुत सारे हैं, एंड द थिंग इज दैट कि टर्मिनोलॉजीज बहुत डिफरेंट आ जाती है मार्केट में, तो हम हाउएवर कर वही रहे हैं, वी आर हीलिंग अ पर्सन ओनली, बट अंडर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट अम्ब्रेलाज, यू कैन से.
ट्रू.
तो उसमें वो
Yeah.
शेडो वर्क आ गया, वो आ गया, बट कॉन्सेप्चुअली एवरीथिंग इज सिमिलर. इट्स जस्ट first to
Simple
understand
are
that
negative
you have
thoughts,
to,
are negative
yes,
anger
to
thoughts.
work on yourself completely. Number one, forgiving a person to start with, then to understand where your life is taking you. Otherwise आप कभी कुछ भी कर लो, कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजी कर लो, मैं किसी के अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ, बट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग, till the moment you take the charge of your life that I want to work on myself and I want to change my life, आप कोई अंगूठी पहन लो, कान इधर से इधर पकड़ लो, चाहे उल्टे पैर चल लो, थिंग्स
Astrology
नॉट
comes
गोइंग
because
टू हैपन.
I am afraid of uncertainty शायद, मतलब मैं आगे वाला जानना चाहती हूँ हमेशा क्या
जो
होने वाला है.
आपके जो फियर, देखो, आपके जो फियर्स हैं वो उन पे काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. सी, वो आपको गाइडेंस दे सकती है एस्ट्रोलॉजी कि आगे आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा होगा,
ये हो रहा है.
ठीक है, बट फियर्स पे तो आप ही को काम करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इफ कि
हाँ.
चलो एस्ट्रोलॉजी ने कहा कोमल 1 महीने बाद ना तुम्हारा समय और टफ आने वाला है, अब उससे
Because
डील करने के लिए आपने कहा मैं 4 अंगूठियां पहन लेती हूँ, वो मुझे कितनी ताकत. अरे अगर आप उस चीज से आज ही वर्क करना शुरू कर दोगे कि आई हैव टू वर्क अपॉन माई फियर्स, एंड इवन इफ दैट टफ टाइम वुड कम इन योर लाइफ, you would be at a better far person to handle that situation in your life.
true,
हम
otherwise
तो
it will
चीजों
keep
को बदल नहीं
taking
सकते,
years.
बट ये
हाँ.
कि
On the
आपको
other
वो
hand,
इम्पैक्ट ही नहीं करेंगी, तो
on
आपको
the
लगेगा
other
मेरी
hand,
चीज
अगर
बदल गई.
ऑन द अदर हैंड अगर आपके एस्ट्रोलॉजर आपको बोल देते हैं कि कोमल तुम्हारा अगला महीना तो ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल होने वाला है, यू आर गोइंग टू
हाँ,
शाइन एंड राइज, आर यू गोइंग टू सिट एंड वेट फॉर इट?
नो, एंड
आपको
अगेन
तो आपको फिर भी करना पड़ेगा।
एग्जैक्टली मैं उसी पॉइंट पे
Moment
आती
you
हूँ
will
करिश्मा
shift.
के साथ.
The
नहीं,
moment you will shift.
and moreover also, if you get to know that your time is going to come very beautiful, very beautiful, now you will start imagining कितनी beautiful आने वाली, क्या मेरे सारे वो पूरे होने वाले हैं अरमान, अच्छा मेरा ये you will start setting the standards for that, and then
बट
exactly
when you feel so मेरे को how I see astrology is, किसी ने मेरे को बोल दिया तेरा समय बुरा आने वाला है, मैं अपने दिल के अंदर डर पैदा कर लेती हूँ, and that is what
हाँ,
gets manifested because मैं
वही
डर
है,
जाती हूँ।
यही है
And if
एस्ट्रोलॉजी
somebody
से
says
आपको.
बहुत अच्छा
बिल्कुल.
होने वाला है, I start
बट
believing.
करिश्मा मेरे साथ तो ऐसा हुआ, बोला था कि नहीं ठीक है, तो फिर भी ठीक गया, तो फिर मैंने कहा मतलब देखा गलत हो गया उनका. इट्स लाइक मैनिफेस्ट नहीं किया,
हम
लाइक
लोग
माय
कॉमन इन सब
फादर्स
चीजों को
हेल्थ।
जज कर लेते हैं, तो ऐसी ऐसा कुछ नहीं। अब ऐसे तो जब माय पेरेंट्स गॉट मैरिड, माय फादर शेयर्ड विद मी कि मैंने अपनी कुंडली एक मेरे पापा कभी विश्वास नहीं करते थे एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स पे, बट वही है, शादी जैसे उस टाइम पर लेट हुई उनकी, तो उन्होंने किसी एस्ट्रोलॉजर को दिखाई होगी कुंडली, उसने कहा तू तो यार शादी मत कर, 32 साल में तो तेरी डेथ लिखी है। सोचो, बंदे को ये बोला जा रहा है। अब उन्होंने यार ये
राइट।
क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं, उन 32 साल में तो उन्होंने शादी करी।
32 साल में शादी करी क्योंकि इसीलिए लेट करी मे बी।
लेट थी ही भाई, 31 के हो रहे थे, उन्हें फिक्र हुई मेरी शादी नहीं हो रही भाई। पहले टाइम में कौन माँ बाप इस तरह से जाते थे ना, जो हमारे
राइट।
मम्मी पापा का टाइम होता था, कौन वो करते थे, उन्होंने दिखाया उसमें
कुंडली
तेरी
में,
तो
हाँ।
कुंडली में ये लिखा है तो तेरी तो इट हैज
Okay.
नथिंग टू डू विद, इट्स ओनली दैट कि आप अपने फियर्स पे अपने ऊपर काम करो। दिस इज व्हाट माय एडवाइस इज।
Asha is asking what is the concept of story. Asha, our mind is a story making machine, meaning making machine. जब हमारी लाइफ में कुछ भी इंसिडेंट होता है तो it quickly makes a story out of it, and we keep repeating that story to ourselves. Now if that story is disempowering, it is going to bring negativity in your life. अगर आप उसी स्टोरी को बैठ के उसको शिफ्ट करो towards the empowering story, the things start shifting in your life. A very common story that I have told everyone in this room is कि one morning I woke up late. I told I have to, so my home is like my bedroom is on second floor and my kitchen is on the ground floor. सुबह मेरे को लेट हो गया, लेट हुई तो मेरे को गुस्सा आया कि हाय मैं तो लेट उठी हूँ। क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे को तैयार होके ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जाके अपने बच्चों के लिए लंच बनाना होता है, बच्चों को भी उठाना है, बच्चे नहाने जाएंगे, दिस एंड दैट डा डा डा। From the time I started going off the stairs, my mind started telling me कि मेरे गलती कर दी इस बंदे से शादी करके, मेरे को ये टाइम भी नहीं देता। मम्मी तो पहले ही बोलती थी कि इसके पास टाइम नहीं होगा, ही इज अ बिजनेसमैन, इसके साथ रहने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। ग्राउंड फ्लोर तक पहुंचने तक माई माइंड हैज मेड अप द स्टोरी कि आई एम गोइंग टू गिव हिम डाइवोर्स, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे विद दिस मैन हु डज नॉट लव मी, हु डज नॉट want to be with me, he does not care.
ये रियल तो नहीं है ना, जस्ट
This is a real story.
यार रियल स्टोरी है भाई।
और
मैं तो बहुत ही
अर्चना,
मैं
अर्चना,
तो
1 मिनट काउंटर क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज शी वाज सेइंग मेरे को थॉट्स नहीं आता कल।
सब आते हैं थॉट्स इसको,
ये देखो
वो
पकड़े
कुछ
गए।
और बात
Okay,
के
now
लिए कर रही।
that is
हाँ,
something else. This is like way long back. कितने साल हो गए इस चीज को? I
तो
don't
अच्छा
even
अभी थॉट्स नहीं आता।
कब नहीं है।
अभी तो कोमल, वी ऑल हैव वर्कड एंड रीच्ड टू दिस प्लेस वेयर इन वी नो हाउ टू हैंडल आवर थॉट्स, इवन इफ
हाँ,
दे
इट्स
कम
लाइक
वी नो
आपका
हाउ टू स्नैप आउट।
थॉट्स कम हो गया है
बहुत कम है।
एनकरेजमेंट के में।
हाँ,
हाँ, कम हो गई होंगी थॉट्स, मुझे लगा वही, और मुझे ये लगा कि टुडे स्टोरी यू आर सेइंग कि मैं ऐसा कर देती हूँ, सो आई वाज
she
लाइक
is just
क्या।
quoting the example from her life to Asha कि
राइट, राइट।
कैसे, and mostly it happens with
जी।
females because they have a different kind of responsibilities to cater, they have responsibilities towards their house, their family members। तो वो अगर वर्किंग भी होगी तो भी वो सुबह से अरे मैं लेट होगी, 5 मिनट का लेट उसका 5-10 मिनट का लेट ऑफिस में और 15 मिनट का लेट घर से निकलने में, और उधर वो स्टोरी सब हम करने लगते हैं। लाइक
100% लॉट ऑफ
when you
स्टोरीज। हाँ,
when you you know get up with negative thoughts already, अरे यार लेट हो गए, मेड भी नहीं आएगी,
Complete
आज
the
खाना
story.
भी बनाना है, बच्चों को भी तैयार करना है,
Do
लेट हो
I
गई, ये
have
हो
the
गया, ठीक ठीक
permission
ठीक
to
ठीक ठीक
complete my story, please?
या
हाँ।
सॉरी, यस।
All right. तो I had a choice. आशा, नॉर्मली इट इज सेड कि कोई भी थॉट हमारे लाइफ में जो आता है, जो स्टोरी हम बनाते हैं ना, वी नेवर, ओके रेनू, प्लीज फील फ्री टू लीव, सी यू टुमारो, हैव अ वंडरफुल डे। तो हमारे कोई भी थॉट अकेला नहीं आता है, एक थॉट के साथ दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा, लाइक द माउस इन द हाउस। एक चूहा आता है तो उसके साथ अपने साथ पूरी फैमिली लेके आता है, एंड देन इट मेक्स मोर फैमिली, बिगर फैमिली देयर इन आवर हाउस। दैट इज लाइक द थॉट्स एज वेल। एक थॉट आया, हाय मैं लेट हो गई, उससे क्या हुआ, हाय बच्चे तैयार कैसे होंगे, हाय मेरे को तो अभी नीचे जाना है, दिस 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 दिस, एंड जिस चीज का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, आई एम गिविंग डाइवोर्स टू माई हस्बैंड बिकॉज ही डज नॉट लव मी। क्यों नहीं लव करता? क्योंकि मैं आज लेट उठी। Does it make sense? No. So when I caught
लेट
myself,
उठी थी उसमें मैं अकेली क्यों करूं एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स है ना कि वो
हाँ, मतलब
होता
बहुत
तो वो कर रहे होते
ये तो उठा नहीं,
समथिंग
ये तो उठा नहीं, ये तो I shifted the story. This story was shifted by telling myself, वाह यार आज तो मैं 10 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा सोई हूँ. What an amazing sleep it was. मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं चला अलार्म भी क्या बजा. ऐसी नींद हर रोज मिलनी चाहिए. Now what am I going to do? I will put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 alarms so that I can sleep. And if I am sleeping इतना सुंदर सा तो मैं 5-6 अलार्म के बाद तो उठ ही जाऊंगी. Second, भाई यार इतनी अच्छी स्लीप आई वांट टू टेक एवरी सिंगल डे. लेट मी स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग. लेट मी पुट गो टू स्लीप 20 minutes earlier so that I have that span. I enjoy the sleep as well and मेरे बच्चे भी ठीक से तैयार होके चले जाए. Now when I shift this story, मेरे पति को मैं डाइवोर्स क्यों दूं भाई? I start telling myself how Neeraj has been so kind and so loving towards me.
Yeah, you make me realize, and maybe we like my husband must be making stories. I must be making stories. Everyone, so story making machine. एंड आज सुबह भी देख लिया मेरा मतलब यहाँ हाउस होल्ड जो मेड नहीं आई तो मॉम स्टार्टेड सेइंग कि हाँ ये तो रोज लेट हो जाती है ये हो जाता है एंड
होता है
आई
क्या?
न्यू कि
रोज
प्रोटेक्ट
होता है?
करो स्टॉप करो. हाँ मतलब
रोज
इतनी
होता है?
एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाई यू आर बोथ ऑफ देम स्टार्टेड चलो हटा दो इसको. इतनी आगे तक.
Whenever any negative story starts created into your mind, ask yourself, is this a truth? And 99% times you will say nahi.
स्टॉप द स्टोरी ना.
और उसी समय अगर वो आप स्टॉप कर देते उस नेगेटिव थॉट को कि नहीं लेट हो गई कोई बात नहीं आज तो अच्छा सो गई हूं, ये थॉट आया होता तो डाइवोर्स में नहीं पहुंचती ना. वो बेचारा डाइवोर्स मेरे पति को पता भी नहीं कि ये क्यों मुंह फुला के बैठी है. वो घर आ रहा है बच्चों को बस स्टॉप पे छोड़ के आके एंड आई एम लाइक ये लो ये लो एंड से क्या हो गया आ जा बैठ जा. आई एम लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू यू यू नो नो एंड ही इज लाइक क्या हो गया अभी तो ठीक थी बच्चों को भेज रही थी. आई एम लाइक मुझे नहीं पता यू डोंट लव मी. आपके पास इतना पैसा है आप मेरी किचन सेकंड फ्लोर पे क्यों नहीं बनवाते हो? यू डोंट लव मी आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे विद यू. एंड ही इज लाइक क्या हुआ ऐसा हो क्या गया मैं लेट उठी थी फिर. एंड ही इज लाइक ओहो कल अगर मैं उठूंगा ना मैं तेरे को उठा दूंगा.
सेम लाइक वी ऑल डू एक्चुअली वही लाइक आशीष सही कि ये हो गया मेरे को लेट उठा था मेरा दिन खराब हो गया मम्मा मेरे को उठा नहीं सकते हो आप 11 बजे तक क्लब थे मेरे को ये नहीं पता लगा आप मेरे को बोल के नहीं आ
And that is
इवन
what
आई
is
डू.
story. That is how we
यू
should.
डोंट लव मी तो ये 11 11 बजे तक खुद तो एंजॉय कर रहे हैं दोनों और कोमल को एंजॉय नहीं कोमल को लव नहीं करते वही तो इंटरप्रेट कितना कर लिया. कुछ भी दे रहे हो वर्कशॉप करने दे रहे हो 1000 मतलब मनी स्पेंड कर रहे हो कुछ भी कर रहे हो नहीं लव तो है नहीं क्योंकि आप तो एंजॉय कर रहा है क्लब थे कोमल सो रही थी कोमल लेट उठी थी सेम.
So that is it. That is what it is. Thank you all for joining in. बहुत ज्यादा टाइम एक्स्ट्रा हो जाता है हमारा. वी आर एट 3:21. मेरे बेचारे बच्चे ना वो मेरे को बोलेंगे दे वुड बी मेकिंग स्टोरीज की मम्मी प्यार नहीं करती अपने में लगी हुई है खाना नहीं दे रही हो. राइट. God bless you all. I would love to see you all tomorrow as well. And let's understand what ego is. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.